Alright, let's get into this unboxing. Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. First impressions, the box feels premium and sturdy. Let's peel off the seal, always satisfying. And here it is. Jet black finish looks sleek. Seriously, this phone feels super lightweight in hand. Let's check out what else is inside the box. We've got the SIM tool, quick start guide, and USB-C cable. No charger included, but that's standard now. Okay, powering on for the first time. Samsung logo pops up, always a good sign. Look at this display, 6.7 inches, edge to edge. Colors are vivid, everything looks super crisp. Scrolling feels buttery smooth, definitely a high refresh rate. It's bright, even under my studio lights. Let's talk design. Armor aluminum frame, Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Feels durable but still slim and portable. This would slip easily into any pocket or bag. Alright, time for some hands-on testing. Unlocking with the fingerprint sensor, fast and accurate. Navigating through apps is snappy, no lag at all. Let's open the camera, my favorite part. Selfie cam is 12 megapixels with ProVisual Engine. Let's take a quick selfie. Wow, detail is sharp. Skin tones look natural, background stays crisp. Switching to rear camera, colors pop, even in low light. Now, let's try the generative edit feature. I'll erase this random object from my photo. Just a tap, gone. The AI fills in perfectly. You can move or resize elements too. Editing is intuitive, results look professional. Perfect for mobile photographers or social media posts. Now let's talk about battery life. 4,900 mAh battery should last all day easily. I've used it for hours, still plenty left. Supports super fast charging 2.0 up to 45W. So you're never stuck waiting for a charge. Performance-wise, this thing flies. Premium chipset, improved cooling, no overheating so far. Multitasking between apps is seamless. Streaming videos is immersive on this big screen. Pair it with Galaxy Buds 3 FE for killer sound. Movies, games, music, everything feels more dynamic. Let's try the Google Gemini feature. I'll go live, show my camera, ask for help. Real-time answers pop up instantly. Super useful. Great for busy professionals needing quick info. Let's check durability. Frame feels rock solid. Gorilla Glass Victus Plus should handle daily drops. No flex or creaks, even with a firm grip. Software-wise, Android is clean and customizable. AI features are free through 2025. Nice bonus. Setting up was straightforward, Samsung account required. Storage is 256 GB, plenty for photos and apps. Unlocked, so you can use any carrier in the US. 1-year US warranty adds peace of mind. Let's talk about who this is for. Tech enthusiasts will love the AI and performance. Mobile photographers, this camera system is a game changer. Busy professionals, battery and speed keep up all day. If you're always on the go, it's lightweight and tough. Honestly, I'm impressed by the balance of power and portability. The AI photo editing is next level. No more bad shots. Battery life is reliable, charging is lightning fast. Display is huge, bright, and super responsive. I'd recommend grabbing a compatible charger for max speed. If you want a phone that just works, this is it. No gimmicks, just solid, smart features everywhere. So, should you buy the Galaxy S25 FE? If you value performance, camera, and battery, absolutely. Check the link below for more details and pricing. Let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments. Thanks for watching this unboxing and review. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content. Catch you next time with another hands-on review.